Welcome back to another video.
Working in Zing Cafe. Lovely, lovely cafe. I really like it. It's nice, calm aesthetics. You've got beautiful scenery. The aesthetics of the place is really nice, well decorated, and you've got loads of food and drink options. This week we're kind of settling in, trying to get our work balance and like work-life balance in place. My dad's also coming tomorrow, so tomorrow he's coming to visit us, so then we'll probably do a lot more activities and things like that, which will be fun. But today we're just gonna take it easy, do some work, and well, you're gonna do my type, but I'm gonna have a chilled evening, get a good bite to eat somewhere. First time trying dragon fruit. I've never had it before, but everyone seems to think it's nice, so here we go. Interesting. It's okay. It's not my go-to fruit, but it's nice. Don't know if I'd get it again. How's your dragon bowl?
Nice.
What was inside it?
Big dragon fruit, banana, goji berries, oats maybe, protein powder.
Yummy. Currently at this beautiful villa. It's my dad's friend's villa because my dad's actually come from England to visit us while we're on this trip. But it's just so peaceful here. It looks nice. You got the pool, open lounge area. I feel like a realtor. And here's the big man, my dad, that's joining us on our trip. Yeah, he's gonna go to some sites with us and just enjoy just enjoy the trip. But how are you finding it in Bali so far?
Relaxing. You know, food's real good. You know, I'm just gonna take a chill pill.
Yeah, take time.
Yeah.
And revitalize. Maybe you turn vegan or veggie.
Nah, because they got vegan cows, they got vegan lamb, vegan, you know, everything, burgers, everything.
So we're currently at one of the only Caribbean restaurants in Bali, Canggu. I'm excited because I love Caribbean food. It's one of my favorite cuisines. So we're here, I think it's called the Thrive Hotel. So let's see how good it is. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint.
So all of the flavors and all of the dishes were so yummy. They got the Caribbean cuisine just right, and they had really good veggie options and meat options as well, and a great selection of cocktails. I'll definitely come back, and I think if you are in Bali, you should come too.
Currently at a restaurant called Muda in Canggu. It's a Thai-inspired restaurant. It looks very fancy. It's got that kind of fancy vibe. The cocktails are good so far. I've had starters. I had edamame beans. Chad had a avocado taco. You enjoyed it? Chad enjoyed it. I enjoyed the edamame beans. Very seasoned, nice, different. Dad's here, got pork belly, ruining our vegan vibes, but it's fine, it's fine. On to our main courses as well, so I'm looking forward to it, and I'll let you know how I get on. So we just left Muda. It was a very, very nice restaurant experience, and I really liked the meal. The vegan pad noodle dish, I can't remember what it was called, it was really, really yummy, good flavors. Chad's green curry was also nice. However, I think the portions are quite small, so we're actually going to get dessert at my favorite vegan restaurant, Kind. So I'm going to get a yummy dessert because I'm still hungry. That's one thing about going to like fancier places, like the food portions aren't always the biggest and you always kind of leave feeling hungry. But I definitely recommend going there because I did enjoy it, and it's a really good vibe for like, you know, a nice occasion, or you just wanted to go for like something more fancy. But yeah, let me go and tuck into some dessert. Got my cake in. Oh, it's melting. It's so soft. It's like mousse, but a cake. Really nice. This is an Oreo mud cake. Really good. This one we've had before. It's a vanilla salted caramel cake, and it's pink. My fave. still prefer this one. It's my favourite at the moment. Anyways, let me tuck in. Good night. See you tomorrow.
So, another day in paradise. I think I'm going to say that every single day.
Is this your opening line?
That is my opening line for every single clip and video that we do, because it's the truth. We are in paradise. For me, this feels like paradise anyway. But today we are at Times Beach, Warung. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's like a little beach bar. They've got tables, chairs, beach bags, and like little umbrellas and stuff. It's really nice. We're actually waiting for our driver to go to Tanah Lot. I'm actually really excited to see Tanah Lot because apparently the sunset and the whole view is supposed to be really beautiful to see.
Today is talking highly of it, so we'll see how good it actually is.
Yeah. Hopefully it's as good as what I'm explaining, but yeah, we'll see.
Shadea has brought us here, and you know she don't want to get the holy blessing from the holy water. You know, like get the whole experience of what's the temple called again, Chad? We don't. Me and Chad don't even know what the temple is called. You know, we're on Shadea's day trip today.
So we're currently at the Tanah Lot temple, about to get holy spring water blessed on us. But Shadea's main concern is that her hair is going to get wet.
Yeah, but I wasn't concerned about it. I was just thinking, oh, everyone's come out and the whole head's wet.
As you can see, she's got a luscious curls right now. Look at it, it's just bouncing, because you washed her hair 2 days ago, didn't you? So now she's concerned.
Do you think you know me something?
You do, yeah. She has this wash day every week or every 2 weeks, isn't it?
Every week.
Every week.
Yeah, anyway, so we're going to get blessed. Chad needs his blessing.
Shadea needs to repent all of her sins.
And then we're going to go up to another part of the temple. I think it's like a viewing point or I'm not sure what it is.
I think it's a viewing point, but you can only go up once you're blessed, isn't it?
Yeah, we tried to go up and they said, no, you need to get blessing first, which I'm not
It's
mad
fair
about.
enough. Yeah, it's fair enough. I think we need to, you know, Shadea needs to bless her soul.
Also, where we're standing is actually normally has sea on it, but because the tide's gone down, we're able to walk on this bit, which is really cool actually.
Well, hopefully by the time you finish, the tide doesn't come back up.
No,
Otherwise you're stranded.
It won't come back until tomorrow.
Fair enough, fair enough.
It's gone down for the day.
Well, look, nice little mouse.
Ooh.
What's that, 1 second?
Entree. Okay? Yes. Entree. Bang na ka đấy. Bang na đây.
We've officially been blessed. My soul feels lifted. I feel free.
Chad.
Oh,
I fell.
my sins are too strong for the blessing.
Thinking
Now
yours.
she's taking my blessing. See? It says a lot. How do you feel?
Nice. Happy. Chilled. Peaceful. Going to the Tanah Lot temple was so lovely, and seeing the sunset set was just so beautiful. Like all of the colours, it was just really, really nice. And it was just very peaceful there as well. We had our blessing and we just walked around and it was very nice. I'll definitely recommend going. But now we're at Burgreens, a vegan restaurant in Canggu. As you can see, the food looks good. I'm excited to try it. We have ordered from there once before as well, but we're actually here in person. I've got a choco shake. Chad's got a protein shake, and we've got this lovely meal about to tuck in.
So we're just about to hit a pool party, but
Yeah.
Shadea's not happy. Why are you not happy?
Because my hair's done, my makeup's done, and now I've got to put on this big ugly helmet.
Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Safety
It was
first.
gonna ruin my hair. Just got back from the Black and Bali event. It was actually nice. It was very chilled, more chilled than I expected. Not as many people, but it was still good vibes. The DJ was really good. I feel like if they had a mic man to just hype up the crowd, it would have been a much more vibey experience. But I really enjoyed it, and I'll definitely be going back to more of their events. We're currently at Clear Cafe in Canggu, and it's kind of like a yoga space. They've got a slide in the middle of the restaurant and a pole to go down as well. But I've got a nasi goreng, tofu nasi goreng, some fries, hot chocolate. Chad's got the same. But yeah, how's your week been, Chad? Over to you.
Been another great week in paradise. A saying that I've said many times now, and I'm going to keep saying it because that is literally what it is. But I'm absolutely starving. Ending the week with another great meal. I haven't eaten it yet. Hopefully it's another great meal, but it smells amazing. Overall, it's been a great week. Looking forward to what next week brings, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So please like and subscribe, and we've got many more pieces of content to come. See you guys next time.